screaming, nervous and scared.
Go away! Go!
If you know what is good for you, you will not come to this house again. Now get out.
What is happening to my relationship?
I deserve to know why you don't want me to have anything to do with Perry.
She is not the kind of woman you would want to take as a wife.
What is it about this girl that you don't want to talk about? I don't want our son to have anything to do with her. Chief is not marrying that girl. And that is fine.
For the very first time in my life, I'm falling so much in love. I can't lose him.
I give him until tonight to tell me one reason I will not get married to Perry. I will take her to another city and get married there. You try it. Try it, then I will disown you.
This is no time to cry. This is a time for me to be brave. I'm going to fight this with everything I've got.
I can be very mad when I'm angry. Get out!
Damn me like damn it!
Don't act like you don't know I'm heartbroken.
Well, it is better you feel terrible now than feel devastated in the future.
Wait,
Don't touch me!
Stop to me!
You are nothing but a slut!
No!
I don't want to see you anywhere close to me! Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you call me a slut?
Shame! Shame on you! You disgust me! Shame!
This is a complete act of witchcraft. You!
Whatever came over you was worse than wickedness itself.
I hate my life right now. I hate today. I hate everything about myself. I hate my life.
I don't want to ever see that girl here again. I don't want to see her with you henceforth. This person has to stop that for crying out loud. Is I tell that you I'm a man?
I wouldn't want you to kill yourself for what is not yours.
He's mine. If I lose him now, I've lost everything. Like I'm so much in love.